Taoyuan International Airport has seen steady growth in passenger and cargo volume throughout 40 years in operation. Today, we are making great strides towards sustainability through cutting emissions, improving air quality and energy efficiency. In 2019, Taoyuan International Airport stood out among 588 airports with upgrade to jet bridge power and AC systems. It won ACI's Green Airport recognition for the category of airports with a 10 million to 45 million passenger volume. The jet bridge, which passengers walk through when boarding or disembarking from an aircraft, supplies both power and air conditioning to the aircraft while it's connected. These upgraded jet bridges replace diesel-powered supply vehicles to provide power and air conditioning to the aircraft while it is parked. This method of supply cuts down on carbon emissions. In its bid to reduce emissions on the air side, we replaced the electrical and AC systems on 40 Terminal 1 and Terminal 2 jet bridges in 2017, replacing them with modern energy-efficient systems. The results of its efforts are apparent. Despite a large annual increase in passenger volume, emissions at the airport have been reduced by 30,000 tons annually, equivalent to the carbon absorption of 82 Da'an forest parks. We will continue to implement environmental protection policies and strive for a Level 4 Airport Carbon Accreditation from ACA. Creating a green transportation hub at Taoyuan International Airport